Your name's been trending in my thoughts today, and I light up when you light up my display. I feel weird when my mama hugs me, and I'm not sure there's a God above me, but one thing I do know for sure, oh, is that my ADD is getting the best of me. I keep scrolling away too deep, an OD on dopamine. There's just too many things I gotta focus on, so when I'm stuck on my phone, it's just my ADD. Yeah, my ADD getting the best of me. I spend mornings questioning reality, late nights I think it away, and I may not have the very best in me, but I think I'm doing okay. Oh, it's just my ADD getting the best of me. I keep scrolling away too deep, an OD on dopamine. There's just too many things I gotta focus on. I think I love you, but I'm wrong. It's just my ADD. Yeah, my ADD getting the best of me. Well, I guess my ADD just got the best of me. I might have said some things I didn't mean, off a little deceit. I might have lied about the way you make me feel. Don't think any less of me. Oh, it's just my ADD getting the best of me. I keep scrolling away too deep, an OD on dopamine. Well, there's just too many things I gotta focus on, and now they're playing my song. It's just my ADD. Yeah, my ADD getting the best of me. I say too much and do too little. The day I thought the day away, I wish it all could be as simple as when we needed less to play. Sleep comes to me when I don't need it, and goes away when I'm in bed. When my mind gets hungry, so I feed it with pills and gin and cigarettes. With red eyes, I can't see the bright side of almost anything anymore. So I try to chase another sunrise. They say I've had enough, but somehow I want more. I guess I'm moonbound. Well, I'm moonbound. Moonbound. I'm dreaming hard but living easy, 'cause easy means I'll never fall. See, I'm addicted to the comfort of building bars inside my skull. With red eyes, I can't see the bright side of almost any sky anymore. So I try to chase another sunrise, 'cause enough just ain't enough unless it's more. I guess I'm moonbound. Well, I'm moonbound. Well, I'm moonbound. Wide awake at 25, I'm wasting time and good advice on partying with fairy tales and ghosts. All it took was realizing life just needed organizing, filling in the fractures and the holes. I'm 28, I'm medicating, supplements are regulating. Baby, now I'm better than most, or I'm still moonbound. I'm just a moonbound. I'm moonbound till I die, in the compound, wasting time. Well, I'm moonbound. I've been living recklessly, and it's all because I'm not alright with me. I've been living recklessly, and I've been loving aimlessly. Think I'd rather live inside a fantasy. Yes, I've been loving aimlessly. Empty nights and the bathroom fights. Oh, it's all we know, but we'll be alright. Because I'm gonna change tomorrow. I know I said I'd do it before. Gonna let it all go, 'cause I can't live this way anymore. Gonna change tomorrow. I said the same thing yesterday. I've been living recklessly, and it's all because I'm not alright with me. Yes, I've been living recklessly, and I've been sleeping restlessly, sick of counting sheep up to infinity. Yes, I've been sleeping restlessly, can change tomorrow. And yeah, I said the same thing before. Gotta let my thoughts go, 'cause I don't wanna do this anymore. Gonna change tomorrow, but I know I gotta start today. Oh, I'm gonna change tomorrow. Yeah, that I do it before. Gonna let it all go, 'cause I don't wanna do this anymore. Gonna change tomorrow, but I know I gotta start today. And it's all because I'm not alright with me. Thank you guys so much.